The best method of making positive affirmations work is to take 2 or 3 of these affirmations and repeat them throughout the day. You should repeat these affirmations at least 20 times per day. You can mentally repeat them to yourself. Mentally repeating these affirmations work just as good as repeating them aloud. You can mentally repeat them while on a walk, washing dishes, taking a shower, during any daily activity that you engage in. You can do them at work. You do not have to mentally repeat them for 20 repetitions at one single time. You can space them out throughout the day. The more you repeat these positive affirmations, the stronger the brain's neurons develop connections. The stronger these connections become, the more these positive affirmations will manifest in your life. So, in quick review, repeat 2 or 3 of these affirmations throughout your daily activities. But, also, you need to listen to the entire list of the 100 affirmations on this video once per day. It is a 2-step process. You repeat the affirmations, but you also listen to the affirmations. I naturally find humor in everyday situations, and my wit is quick, bringing joy to conversations. I easily make people laugh with my sense of humor and am confident in my ability to deliver funny comebacks. Humor comes effortlessly to me in conversations, making me the source of smiles in any room I enter. My jokes are well received and appreciated, and I am skilled at lightening the mood with humor. My sense of humor is a gift that I freely share, and I enjoy making people laugh and feel good. I am witty and quick with playful banter, and my humor is inclusive, bringing people together. I find the right balance between humor and sensitivity, always able to see the lighter side of life. My laughter is contagious and spreads positivity, and I am adept at using humor to ease tense situations. Known for my sharp wit and enjoyable humor, I use my sense of humor to create memorable moments and am naturally funny without even trying. My humor is a bridge that connects me with others, always ready with a humorous remark or joke, and I use humor to spread happiness and joy. Quick to find the humor in challenging situations, my playful spirit is infectious and uplifting, making me the heart of every conversation with my humor. I use my wit to bring lightness to every day, and my sense of humor is a cherished part of who I am. Creative in finding humor in the mundane, I am comfortable being the funny one in the group, and my jokes and stories are always well-timed. A master at crafting witty comebacks, I use humor to make lasting connections with others, and my humor is a source of comfort and joy for many. Naturally inclined to find and share joy, I am a beacon of laughter and lightheartedness, and my humor is a powerful tool for spreading positivity. Adept at making even strangers smile, I use my humor to make the world a happier place and am confident in my ability to entertain and amuse. My sense of humor is a key part of my charm, always able to find something to laugh about, and I use humor to navigate through life's challenges. My jokes and laughter are a gift to those around me, witty, funny, and enjoyable to be around. I bring a sense of fun and humor to all my interactions, and my humor is a reflection of my positive outlook on life. Quick to share a laugh or a smile, I use humor to enhance my relationships, and my sense of humor is both clever and kind. I am the person people look to for a good laugh, effortlessly combining intelligence with humor. My humor is an expression of my joyful spirit, adept at finding the funny in the everyday, and I am the master of playful and witty conversation. My humor is a natural part of my engaging personality, always ready to share a joke or a funny story, and I use humor to make the ordinary extraordinary. My laughter is a symbol of my love for life, skilled at using humor to uplift others, and a natural at making people feel good with humor. My sense of humor is a key to making lasting friendships, always able to find the funny side of things, and I use humor to spread cheer and goodwill. My wit is a delightful part of my interactions, confident in my ability to make others laugh, and I use humor to add sparkle to my conversations. My sense of humor is a valuable part of my personality, always able to lighten the mood with a joke, and I am a source of comic relief and joy. My humor is a tool for creating happiness, naturally inclined to spread laughter and joy, and I use my wit to navigate social situations with ease. My humor is a reflection of my creative mind, the go-to person for a fun and humorous perspective, adept at using humor to break the ice, and my sense of humor is a magnet for positive energy. Always able to find humor in life's absurdities, I use humor to make every day more enjoyable, and my laughter and jokes are a highlight of any gathering. A master at infusing humor into conversations, my sense of humor is both witty and warm, quick to bring a smile to someone's face, and I use humor to create a positive and fun atmosphere. My humor is a natural extension of my personality, always able to find joy and laughter in life, and I use humor to connect with people on a deeper level. My sense of humor is a source of delight for others, skilled at making even serious situations lighter, and I am a natural storyteller with a humorous twist. My humor is a way of expressing my unique self, always ready with a witty comment or observation, and I use humor to make life's journey more enjoyable. My laughter is a sign of my positive approach to life, adept at using humor to enhance any situation, and my sense of humor is a beacon of light in any setting. I am the person who brings laughter and joy effortlessly, using humor to make every moment more memorable, and my humor is a reflection of my optimistic outlook. Always able to find the comedic in the commonplace, my humor is a cherished part of my interactions with others.